And all you need is run about this. Now this is not a thick mask and it's not going to leave any form of a residue on the skin. So apply the mask all over, and don't forget you can actually take this mask on the neck and the décolleté. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be using an overnight facial mask. This overnight facial mask is in a cream form, and an overnight facial mask is designed to penetrate deeper into the skin while you sleep. It creates a barrier sealant to the skin that will help to lock that moisture in the skin. When the moisture is locked in the skin, it keeps your skin hydrated, rejuvenated, and it also helps your skin to look younger and fresher. So if you're looking to try an overnight facial mask that could help to transform your skin, that will help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin while you sleep, follow me to the kitchen. We're going to whip this up really quick, and then I'm going to share a live demonstration showing you how to get the best result from using this overnight facial mask. Now to make this overnight mask, our first ingredient is going to be cornstarch, and we're using the cornstarch for skin firming properties. This will help to tighten and firm the skin. We're using it as a base. So we're going to take round about 2 rounded teaspoons of the cornstarch. Now if you want to make more of this, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. Once we have the cornstarch in the bowl, we're going to reach for some hot water. Make sure it's the boiling point, and we're going to pour some in the bowl with the cornstarch, and we're going to mix this into a paste. You can also choose to do this on the stove top. Let's get some more water, on another teaspoon. So far I'm using about 3 teaspoons, and if you can see, it's really thickening up. That is what happened when you put hot water and cornstarch. It gets really thick, and this is exactly how we want it to be. And once I put this down to cool, it's going to get thicker, so we're working fast with it. If it's getting too thick, go ahead and place it over a double boiler, or place it over the hot water like this, and this is going to help. Now once this is done, we are going to reach for some aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, but it also helps to cool the skin, and it also helps with discoloration, and this is why we like it. And I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, adding this to the cornstarch, and we're just gonna mix this in like I'm showing here, blending the 2 ingredients together. And the more you mix it, the thicker it's gonna get. That is okay. It's a mask that we're making, so we want it to be able to hold on the skin. However, we want it to have a more cream-like texture since it's an overnight mask. So once we totally dissolve the aloe vera in the cornstarch, and you can see how thick this is and how nice and creamy, this is how we wanted, a cream base overnight mask. Now once this is done, we're still leaving it over the hot water. I am going to reach for some honey, and this is where the locking of the moisture comes. I'm using raw honey for this recipe, and honey is a humectant. It's going to lock the moisture in the skin and prevent the water from escaping. And that's what's going to happen when you wake up. You're going to wake up with gorgeous looking skin. Now we don't need a lot of the honey, a few drops of the honey. And honey is very sticky, so you don't need to use a lot of it in it. We're just using it for the benefits. And now we are going to completely dissolve the honey in the mixture, totally blending the honey out. An overnight
firming mask that's not only going to firm the skin, but is also going to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and even boosts collagen and elastin in the skin, refreshes the skin and replenishes the skin and keep the skin barrier intact. And that's how we have this. Now let's reach for some anti-aging oils, and the oil I'm going to use today is a very special oil, and this is some apricot oil. Apricot oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It's made from the kernel of the apricot seed, and it is just rich in antioxidants that will help to tighten the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and also help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. A perfect anti-aging oil. I'm using about a teaspoon of the apricot oil. Now, if you do not have the apricot oil, go ahead and use any oil that is rich in vitamin A, like some rosehip seed oil. You can even choose to use some papaya seed oil. So here we have cornstarch, we have aloe vera gel, we have honey, and we also have some apricot oil. And now we're going to blend this in. You can also choose to add the oil to the aloe vera gel for easier blending, but because we have the aloe vera gel in the cornstarch, the oil is going to blend nicely into this. Okay, so continue to mix and mix well. An amazing overnight facial mask for beautiful looking skin. Now I have one oil in this. Now if you need more hydration, you can go ahead and you can use 2 oils in it. Now I have an optional oil, and this oil is known as the bachi oil. It is what is used to make bakuchiol oil. So this is it in its more raw form. If you have it, use it. If you do not have it, go ahead, use some castor oil instead in this recipe. Most of you might not have this oil, so go ahead and use the castor oil. It's a very strong oil, so I'm using just a drop of this oil, just 1 drop in this, and that's it right there, 1 drop. Remember, if you do not have the bachi oil, go ahead and use your castor oil. And now we're just going to blend this in. And the bachi oil is now known as the new retinol. It's loaded with antioxidant that's going to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boost collagen and elastin, basically help to transform the skin. And because I'm using it in the raw form, I only use 2 to 3 drops, because the raw form is what they use to dilute with other oils to make the bakuchiol oil. So we are mixing, and we are mixing well. And right now, guys, this is now finished. Let me remove it from the hot water, which is now cold. Now once you set this aside, it's going to get really thick, and that is how it's going to be for your skin. So do not click off. Continue watching for a live demonstration. You can store this in the refrigerator and use it up within a week. And this is also good not only for your face, but it's also good for your neck and décolleté. Now let's go and do a quick demonstration.
Do your regular nighttime facial cleansing, and then you are going to reach for the facial mask. And all you need is run about this. Now this is not a thick mask, and it's not going to leave any form of a residue on the skin. So apply the mask all over, and don't forget, you can actually take this mask on the neck and the décolleté, and then you're going to take your hands and you're going to massage it on the skin. So just massage, and this one is good to go as close as possible under your eyes, all over the skin, and take a look up close. So the mask is going to go on like a facial moisturizer. After you apply it on the skin, you're going to let it dry on your skin, and this is going to be dried in about a minute or 2. And once that is done, you're going to go to sleep with the mask on your skin. Upon arising in the morning, you just rinse this off with doing your regular morning skincare routine. Use this every night. It's safe to use every night. And guess what, guys? The more you use and take care of your skin by doing your regular skincare routine, the better result you are going to see. So use it up and get your skin to look younger for longer.